Hello, welcome to another exciting episode of Open Mic. We have a special episode for you today here live at ProMat 2019 with a very special guest, the star of Mondays with Milt, Mr. Milt Tandy.
How you doing today, Zach?
Doing great, Milt. Thank you for taking the time. Milt, before we get started, would you mind just introducing the audience to WireCrafters?
Yeah, WireCrafters is the leading manufacturer of wire partitions in the United States. So we're located in Louisville, Kentucky, and we make wire partitions for all sorts of safety, security, and separation of materials.
And also an excellent partner of Atlatl.
That's right, for many years.
Milt, WireCrafters has been a leader in digital transformation since the beginning. And one of the first manufacturers to transform into a visual selling process with visual product configurators. What led you to visual selling and visual product configuration for your sales teams?
Well, you know, it's kind of like what you said. We've been a leader in this from the beginning. We knew that's where technology was going. We wanted to be a part of it, and we wanted to lead the industry. We knew not many people had it yet, but we saw that it was the future coming. You all had a great product, so we got together, and here we are looked upon now as one of the leaders in the industry because of that.
And I couldn't agree more. And what impacts, Milt, has visual selling made to your sales operation, to your revenue, and to your customers?
Well, you know, when you use this type of software, it enables you to provide your distributors with a much better product that they can show to their customers, and it really makes them look good in front of their customers to sell your product. It also enabled us to do quotes much faster than the old manual way. And at times we still have to revert back to the other way we did it for years. There are exceptions from time to time, but overall it's had a huge impact with our distributors, with their customers. And because of that, it's helped our conversion rate on quotations to grow.
Milt, I couldn't have said it better myself. Things don't work out at WireCrafters. You know you got a position with us.
There we go.
Last question for you. What suggestion would you have to all the other manufacturers here who are looking to transform their sales process? You know, where should they start?
Well, if they're one of my competitors, they just need to quit watching this. But if they're looking to grow their business, it would be great if they contacted Atlatl, got a hold of you guys, and took a look at the program that you have to offer. And you know, you just got to see, and you got to have a vision of where it can take you to the future. And if you want to be a leader in the industry, you got to do something different, and that's what we're doing.
Well said. If you're interested in learning more about visual product configurators, visual selling strategies, please reach out to atlatlsoftware.com. Thank you to Milt and the WireCrafters organization for allowing us to do this shared exciting presentation of Mondays with Milt with Open Mic. We look forward to seeing you next week, and thanks again.